I'm Dave Cobb. I'm a transmission line foreman for Central Hudson. We're here today on the WH line rebuild project. It's a 13-mile transmission line rebuild. We're in the town of Warsing, near the village of Ellenville. The original WH line was constructed in 1932 and reached the end of its useful life. This project started about 5 years ago in the very early planning stages. The actual construction part of this job has been going on since August of 2016. These lines serve the distribution system that takes care of all the households and all the businesses and industry in this area. Well, it never ceases to amaze me how well we all work together to pull a job like this off, from materials, engineering, planning, certainly the construction part of it. This job has touched a lot of people in this company. We have to be pretty innovative when it comes to some of the access and some of the logistics of getting material to a lot of these remote sites. There was a lot of wetlands and places that were environmentally sensitive. So we had to be innovative as far as how do we progress with the job with the least amount of damage to the environment. The completion of the WH line transmission line job is a great example of the company being proactive in rebuilding and taking care of the infrastructure that services the people in this community. We certainly couldn't have pulled off a job of this scope without everybody pulling together and acting as a great big team.